Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that idle tribe era token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Idle Tribe Era is an innovative blockchain-based strategy game that combines ideal gameplay elements with deep economic mechanism. Players will build and manage their tribes, explore uncharted labs, collect resources, engage in battles, and gradually advance their civilization. ITE offers a relaxing yet strategic game environment suitable for players of all levels. Players can earn tokens through gameplay and participate in a thriving virtual economy. ITE is more than just a game, it is a decentralized virtual ecosystem where players truly own the assets they acquire. Even in-game even in-game item character and even resource is tokenized as an NFT, allowing for secure, transparent, and traceable tradable ownership within the ITE universe. Idle Tribe Era token Idle Tribe Era project institution rating is 2.9. Idle Tribe Era token total supply is not showing yet, and circulating supply is 10 billion ITE token. ITE token is listed on Toolbit and PancakeSwap V3. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. This project may be a scam. Thanks for watching.